Hello, everyone. Welcome to The Wonders of the Moon, a journey through space. I'm Sarah, your guide to the fascinating world of our celestial neighbor, the Moon. Today, we're going to embark on an exciting journey to learn everything there is to know about this mysterious and enchanting orb that graces our night sky. Before we dive into the details, let's start with the basics. The Moon is Earth's closest neighbor in space, located approximately 238,855 miles away. To put it into perspective, that's like traveling around the Earth's equator nearly 10 times. But what makes the Moon so special? Well, let's find out. First things first, have you ever wondered how big the Moon is compared to Earth? The Moon is about 1/4 the size of our planet. That might not sound huge, but it plays a massive role in our lives. One of the most fascinating ways the Moon affects Earth is through tides. You see, the Moon's gravitational pull creates something we call tidal forces. These forces are responsible for the rise and fall of the Earth's ocean tides. Imagine the Moon and Earth playing a cosmic game of tug-of-war with our oceans. When the Moon is overhead, it pulls the water toward it, creating a high tide. As it moves away, a low tide occurs. This dance between the Moon and our planet results in the ebb and flow of the tides, which have a significant impact on our coastal areas. Now, let's talk about the Moon's ever-changing appearance. You may have noticed that the Moon doesn't always look the same. It goes through a series of phases, and we can see it as a crescent, a half-moon, a gibbous, and, of course, the full moon. These phases occur because of the Moon's position relative to the Earth and the Sun. The Sun's light illuminates different parts of the Moon's surface, creating these beautiful lunar phases we observe from Earth. But wait, there's more. The Moon has captured the imaginations of humans for centuries. In the late 1960s and early 1970s, NASA, the United States Space Agency, sent astronauts on a series of missions to explore the Moon. Brave astronauts took giant leaps onto the Moon's surface, leaving their footprints in the dusty regolith. They collected samples of rocks and soil, conducted experiments, and even drove around in lunar buggies. These missions expanded our understanding of our celestial companion and the universe. Here's a mind-blowing fact. The Moon doesn't have an atmosphere like Earth does. That means there's no air to breathe, and it's void of weather. In space, there's no wind, rain, or storms like we experience here on our home planet. To survive on the Moon, astronauts had to wear specialized spacesuits. These suits provided them with oxygen to breathe, protection from the harsh vacuum of space, and insulation from extreme temperature fluctuations. Now, let's explore some of the Moon's mysteries. For instance, why does it have so many craters? The Moon's surface is covered in impact craters of various sizes, and these scars tell a story of its tumultuous history. Scientists are still working to uncover the origins of these craters, but one leading theory suggests that they were formed by the impact of meteoroids and asteroids. Each crater is like a time capsule, preserving a record of the Moon's past. So, what's the Moon's role in our lives, aside from inspiring astronauts and poets alike? Well, it serves as a constant reminder of the wonders of our universe. Its presence in our night sky has influenced cultures, myths, and even our calendars for centuries. Throughout history, the Moon has been associated with myths and legends, and it has played a vital role in various cultural and religious traditions around the world. It has inspired countless poets, artists, and dreamers to reach for the stars. As we look to the future, the Moon continues to capture our imagination. Scientists and space agencies from around the world are planning future lunar missions. Some even dream of establishing lunar bases, paving the way for human colonization of the Moon. These missions promise to unveil even more of the Moon's secrets and expand our understanding of our cosmic companion. Who knows what other wonders and discoveries await us in the lunar frontier? And so, my fellow explorers, as you gaze up at the night sky and see the Moon, remember that it's not just a distant object in space. It's a timeless guardian of our dreams and a symbol of the unending curiosity that drives us to explore the unknown. Thank you for joining me on this journey through space to unravel the mysteries and wonders of the Moon. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting cosmic explorations. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars, and keep dreaming of the moonlit wonders that await us in the vast universe.